As a Nigerian industrial training student, writing your IT report correctly is very crucial. Many students make common mistakes that lead to their report being rejected by their supervisors or lecturers, regardless of your institution in Nigeria. This video will guide you on how to write a well-detailed, professional, and error-free IT report that meet academic standard. I am Bamidele Ayomikun. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. Your go-to channel for student tips, success story, and productive hacks in academic study. If today is your first time on this channel, you are welcome. And for our returning subscriber, thank you for your continued support. Without wasting any more time, let's dive into the video. Here are the tips for writing an IT report. Number 1 tips. Properly introduce your IT firm. In your first week of IT report, provide a clear and detailed information about the company or organization where you are doing your IT. The question now is, what to include to your introduction? Number 1, the name of the company, the firm, the organization where you are doing your IT. Number 2, the location of the firm or the company, the organization where you are doing your IT, and the type of industry of the place you are doing your IT, the related industry. For example, if you are doing your IT at a fish farming firm, or at a manufacturing firm, banking firm, try to point it out that this is the type of the industry where you are doing your IT related to your course. Number 2 tips. Use the correct past tense. Since your report is about past events, you must write in past tense to describe your activities correctly. Make use of words like where will help you to describe in your report the past events that you have done. Example, the pond were washed to create a fresh environment for the salted finger leaves. Not writing like the ponds are washed to create a fresh environment. Using correct tense makes your report more professional and grammatically correct. Number 3 tips. Utilize the blank space in your IT logbook. You will see that in your IT logbook there is a space for that week that is blank. That place expected that something is done. It's either you draw or you make some calculation in that place. And how can you make use of that blank place effectively? Number 1, draw diagrams of equipment and tools used during the week. Example, sorting table. Some materials that you use in that week related to where you are doing your IT should be drawn. And number 2, perform calculations related to your activities. For example, as a student that is doing IT in a fish processing farm, calculations such as moisture loss, yield percentage, such calculations can be done at the back of of your IT report space, which is the blank space. Number 4 tips. Avoid repeating daily routine activities. Your lecturers and supervisor already knows that activities like a student doing an IT in a fish farm, that you will always feed the fish in your pond, changing the water in the pond, and even the weighing of feed, which are the things that happens daily. Don't repeat them every week. Instead, you can focus on specific weekly topic that is being treated in the place of your IT program. For example, if your firm focus on sorting fish for that week, you can explain on why sorting is important, how sorting is carried out successfully, and the challenges faced while sorting and how you can be solved. This makes your report more insightful and professional. Number 5 tips: do not include irrelevant personal activities. Some students make the mistake of including social events in their reports. Don't include wedding ceremony, funeral ceremony, office party, and other celebrations that you have the privilege to attend as your IT program. Only stick to the relevant professional experiences that contribute to your learning. Please avoid writing the personal activities that you have the privilege to enjoy at your IT program. And number 6 tips that can help you while reporting your IT is that use reliable online research source. To make your IT report more detailed, use trusted research source to gather additional information that can help you to write your IT without any issue. And some of the helpful platforms that you can use is you can make use of Google for industrial related reports and guidance. You can make use of ChatGPT for explanation on technical topics. You can make use of Quora for professional insight, and you can make use of also industrial websites to check relevant sites for more information, so that you can write a well-detailed information or report on the topic you treated for that week. If you watched this video this far and you've not subscribed to this channel, please just click on the subscribe button to support this channel. And moving on to the last tips of our list, which is avoid procrastination. Write your report weekly. Many students delay writing their reports and struggle to remember details later. Avoid saying, I will write it in the next week. I will write it next week. I will do it when I have the time. We do not have the time as a student. Every day is a day that you can write your report for the week. And the more you procrastinate, the more you will forget, and it's going to compile more for the next week you also want to write. Here are the solutions that I believe it will help you to write your IT report successfully without any issue. Number 1, set a scheduled time to write your IT report at the end of the week. Maybe Saturday or Sunday. Just fix a time that you can write it. Number 2, keep a daily journal with short notes to help you recall or remember the key details. By writing weekly, you will avoid last-minute stress and improve the quality of your IT report. I hope these tips help you with clear, professional, and error-free IT reports that get approved without any issue. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with your friend. Have any question? Do well to drop your question in the comment section below, and I will be happy to help you. See you in my next video.